Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, this sweater rocks. This sweater is seriously awesome. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do a versus video between the Milwaukee brushless drill driver and the Kobalt brushless drill driver. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to VCG Construction for giving me a shout out on their stream. In return, I'm going to wear his hoodie for the next 30 videos. So we got that right there, and he gets that. So like, it's huge giving a shout out like that. And I got a little bit more space for some more. So this is YouTube. This is all about sharing and communicating with the community. So I give a huge thanks to VCG Construction for doing that. Let's get to this. So the Milwaukee is model number 2801-20. It is a brushless drill driver, a 1/2-inch chuck. And this goes to 0 to 500 RPM on the first setting and 0 to 1800 RPMs on the second setting. And I do not know what the torque is. I'll put that in right now. And so yes, that is the Milwaukee. The Kobalt is model number KDD524B-03. 2 speed settings, 1/2-inch metal chuck. Both of these chucks are metal, both of them. And speed 1, this goes to 0 to 5500 RPM, and on speed 2, it goes to 0 to 2000 RPM. So, but we are going to see what the difference is when it comes to the performance. Now, in this video, we are only going to use a 2 amp hour battery each. Both of these tools have more powerful batteries, but in this video, we're just going to stay with 2 amp hour batteries. So we're going to do some tests, so let's get to the wood block. Alrighty, and remember, when you do this, wear safety glasses, gloves, be safe. Alright, but we are going to do something out of the ordinary. We are actually going to use 10-inch Timberlock screws first to drive these in. I got a 5/16 bit on there. So it is not going to slip. We're just going to see how far this could actually drive this in. And we are going to measure it, and the one that gets it in the furthest wins. Now, I will be amazed if either of these could get this in. Now, we're going to use speed 1 first. Speed 1, battery is full. Ready? Go. You can do it. Wow. Time. That did it. I am amazed that that has the power. Let's see if the Kobalt has the power. Do it right here. Alright, so ready? Go. You can do it. Time. Kobalt was able to put that in. Now we are going to have the Kobalt take out Milwaukee's and the Milwaukee take out Kobalt's. All right, so Milwaukee takes out Kobalt's. Speed 1. Ready? Time. I'll tell you this, these are 2 powerful drills. These are. I am amazed that they can do that with a 2 amp hour battery each and with ease. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. Not bad at all. Wow. I am amazed that those did that. So next, we are going to do a 1/2-inch hole. Alright, we'll do 2 on speed 1 and 2 on speed 2. Alright, so Alright, so ready? Go. Time. I do think it is almost. I do think it is time to get new drill bits. I'll get those tomorrow for the next test. All right, that is speed 1. Let's give the Kobalt a break. Let's go to speed 1 for the Milwaukee. All right, so ready? Go. Time. That is time. There we go. Now we're going to do... Alright, now we're going to do 2 holes on speed 2. Battery is still full. So ready? Go. Time. And that is time. Yep, speed 1 to take it out. Alright, so we are going to do 2 holes on speed 2. Speed 2. I'll go over a little bit. Ready? Go. Time. I can tell Milwaukee won on that one. Milwaukee didn't need for the bit to be cleaned off to continue to go in more. So as you can see, it does fit. Speed 2. 1 hole on speed 1. See what it can do. Alright, so ready, go. Time. It did it. It did it. Now carefully take it out. Perfect. Alrighty, so it is Milwaukee's turn. Speed 1. Battery is 3 bars. Alright, so ready? Go. Time. And there you go. There you go. Milwaukee did a great job. And I'll take it off. Take it out easily. Very good. Alrighty, so next we are going to go for the 1 1/8. Yep, got to give Milwaukee a break. Go to Kobalt. Love that ratchet. Alright, so we're actually going to start right here. Does that clear everything? Yes, it does. Alright, so ready? Go. There we go. That's what we want to see. Time. That's what we want to see. So speed 2 is perfect for 1 1/8 spade. Take it out slowly. Alrighty, so We are going to do a hole right here. Speed 2. Bars are at 3. Alright, so ready? Go. There we go. Time. And it cleared it, which is fantastic. Perfect. Okay, now for the grand finale, we got a 1.5 inch self-driving spade bit. I think this is Bosch. I think this bit's from Bosch. VCG Construction, go check them out. Alright, so we're going to do the Kobalt first. Batteries at 2. Ready? Does that clear everything? Ready? Go. Time. And like I said, when it comes to this type of bit, you cannot stop. You have to keep on going or it will just torque out of your hands like that. It is time for the Milwaukee's turn. Let's see what the Milwaukee can do with this. Alright, so ready? Go. And time. There we go. See? Done. Right now we got to very carefully take it out. Alrighty. Quick temperature reading. Bad at all. Kobalt stays about 65. And then Milwaukee, 72. So the Kobalt ran a little bit cooler than the Milwaukee did. Battery life is half on the Kobalt, and the battery life on the Milwaukee is also half. And so yes, that pretty much concludes the test. The results are there, but like I love doing these videos. These videos are so fun. Now normally I don't do videos this late, but I have a 3-day weekend, so I'm excited. I'll be filming all day on Monday. I'll be filming all day January 13th, so it's going to be fun. So that's pretty much it. So this is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. And #VeryCoolGang.